in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get this Ajax Search Pro WordPress search and filter plugin in just $3 with lifetime auto update and license key enabled. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can purchase it and how you can install it. So before going to the video, I want to tell you how this plugin is helpful for your site. So it's like you have a site and you have this regular search bar, and it's like many time if you have a lot of blog post. First I am assuming that your site is a blog post site, and you have a lot of blog post where when a user search any product, he face some difficulty, he or she face many difficulties in it, like there is lag in the search bar. The second case, it's like you have a WooCommerce website where you sell some products, and you have a lot of products where user face difficulty in searching the products. It may be the product is delay, or the like if any particular keyword is there, it's like, and if the user want to search it, then the regular search doesn't feature it. So all of those search issues in this plugin, if you are like facing any kind of search issue, then this simple plugin will fix all of the issues. It's like this plugin has a lot of features. So I'm gonna purchase it and I will install it in my site, and I will show you how you can also do it. Now after the purchase will be successful, you will get this file. And before going to the video, I want to tell you this thing. There is this my update also. After you purchase the product, this will be enabled in your WordPress dashboard. So you see this my update. So you see this, the product is there. So what this will do is, whenever there will be any new update, so this will notify you, so that you will not miss any update. You see this, the plugin name is there and the version is there. Whenever the new version will be there, it will notify you, so no issue about it. Or there is another thing also. So if you are like why I will go to the website and check it. So and if you are like a little lazy, then what you can do is you can turn on this. So what this will do is, this will automatically notify you whenever there will be any new update in your mail. So create the account also first before purchasing the product. So that's it. Now our product is downloaded, so it's time to install it. Upload plugin, choose files, downloads, it's done. Activate plugin. Now you see this, the plugin is activated. Now I want to tell you this thing, that if you are purchasing this plugin from us, then all of the update, like each and every update you will get for the lifetime. So you don't have to worry about any single update. So you see this one is installed. So from here you can do all of the whatever you want to customize your search bar from here. I will not go into detail because the video will be long, but from here you can like customize a lot of thing in this search bar. So here you can the cache system, you can do everything. So hopefully this video is helpful for you. If this is, then just give it a like and please subscribe my channel. So that's it. Thank you.